Hello, my name is Atharo Khode and I am going to talk about the topic Database Management System Introduction. So, what is database? By the word data, it means that the facts that can be recorded and have a meaning. A database is known as the collection of related data. For example, considering a people's name, address, phone number. You may have recorded this data in the address book or may have stored it in the personal computer software such as Excel or Microsoft Access. This is the collection of the related data which can implement meaning and hence is called as database. So what is database management system? A database management system DBMS is collection of programs that enables user to create and maintain a database. The database management system is hence a general purpose software system that facilitates the process of defining, constructing and manipulating database for various applications. Defining a database involves specifying the data type, structure and constraints for the data to be stored in the database. Second, construction. The database is process of storing the data itself on some storage medium that is controlled by a DBMS. Manipulation. A database includes such functions as querying the database or retrieving specific data, updating or changing the data, which helps generating reports from the database. So DBMS allows user to do some following tasks. First, data definition. It is used for creating, modifying and removal of definition that defines the organization of the data in the database. Data updation. It is used for inserting, modifying and deleting of the actual data in the database. Third is data retrieval. It is used to retrieve the data from database which can be used by application for various purposes. User administration. It is used for registering and monitoring users, maintaining data integrity, enforcing data security, and dealing with concurrent control and recovering information from corrupted files or unexpected failures. So next is a comparison between the database system and file system. One way to keep the information in computer is to store in an operating system file. To allow user to manipulate the information, the system has a number of application programs that manipulating the file. Keeping organization information in file processing system has number of major disadvantages like data redundancy, inconsistency, difficulty in accessing data, atomicity problems, security problems, and many more. So the needs of DBMS. It is useful in various ways such as ease of accessing data. In file system, different files are created for each user containing which data they can access. Also in the file system for the users to extract data, there is need of a code or application. DBMS removes redundancy by granting access to users and decide which and how many parts of data is accessible to them from the database. Second is storage and management of data. Data cannot be stored in form of object in the file system. The data is practical word is generally stored in the form of objectives and not files. So an application is required to map the data into objects for further uses. In DBMS, the data can directly be stored in form of objects. Third is easy and effective file management. In DBMS helps us to manage files easily and efficiently. Fourth is avoiding duplicates and redundancy. Data normalization is used in DBMS to avoid duplicate data. Fifth and the last is concurrent data accessing. Users can access data simultaneously through different applications. In file system, this simultaneous access leads to inconsistency. DBMS use ACID approach to tackle the issue. So ACID approaches basically consist of A. Atomicity, C. Consistency, I. Isolation and D. Durability. Yes, thank you.